Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to be making some beaded pens with things we already have around our house, already have in our craft supplies. So let's get started.
Okay, I'm using my wood burning kit with a sharp pointed tip. To melt the top out, I tried a drill, it did not work. So this was the best idea I found for making a hole to put your wire in. Now, since I was starting with the plain unpainted balls that you see in the background, I painted 4 of my balls white to better match with this pen. And then I'm going to take some of my acrylic paint and put some little polka dots on the 2 larger beads, just to give them a little bit of jazz. And I took some double-sided tape and put it on part of the pen so that I could glitter it up. Again, just to give it a little more jazz. And the double-sided tape works really good. You just got to grind it into that glitter to make it stay, and then it's really sturdy. I didn't seal it or anything. And I'm going to take the 2 smaller beads and put some glitter on them as well. And I just took my Elmer's glue and painted a little layer of glue on them. Now I've glued in my wire and I put a little extra glue. I'm using the super glue gel. Put a little extra glue on top so that bead will sit down on that glue. And I've got some pony beads that I'm using for spacers because that's what I had. And then I'm just going to alternate my beads, putting a little glue in between to hold them all together. The wire I'm using on this first pen is a flimsy wire. I'm just doing this to show y'all how to do it. But on the second one, I actually found my good sturdy wire. So this one really needs the glue on the wire and on the beads to hold each bead together. Now I'm drilling a hole in her little booty so she can slide down on the wire. And I did put glue on the wire.
So I wanted to show you, this is the click on the side pen. Still works. You don't burn it down so much that this goes in the hole, or then you got a problem. But see, I burnt it too. It's kind of even with the top of the pen. So then it still works.
Now for this second pen, I'm using an old kid's necklace. I always have a little glob of toys to work with because they're good for crafts. And this little monkey, I think, will be perfect. And I have these beads that are already kind of stained. And I'm just going to do it the same way as the last one. Just put some glue. Just put some glue, put a bead. Put some glue, put a bead.
Okay, here are our finished pens. I added a big outlandish bow on her head to jazz her up a little bit. Just a little tied here on the side. You could put a tassel. You could not put that on. You could make your beads a little striped or checked. You don't have to put the glitter. You could put another colored glitter. My point was trying to show you that you don't have to buy all those special supplies. Get your pen, burn the top, get your wooden beads, whatever beads you have already around your house, and jazz up a pen. So that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Here's some more inspiration for you. These are pens that my daughter made, and she used all the store-bought beads and the extra little trinkets. So this might give you some more ideas. Bye.